The 3 best payment gateways for high-risk businesses. High-risk payments don't fail because your checkout page is ugly. They fail because one spike in chargebacks, one underwriting review, or one suspicious traffic source can freeze your ability to process overnight. That's why the best gateway for high risk isn't the fanciest. It's the one that keeps you live when things get noisy. There's one detail that decides the winner for most businesses, and it's not your industry label. I'll hold it until the end because it makes the choice obvious. How I'm choosing these 3? I'm choosing based on survivability, not hype. High-risk businesses need stable approvals, consistent processing, and tools that reduce declines in chargebacks. I'm also prioritizing control. Things like smart routing, fraud filters, and redundancy matter more here than extra dashboards. And I'm looking at fit-for-real operations like subscriptions, high-ticket checkouts, cross-border customers, and services where delivery happens later. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. Place 3. PaymentCloud. Best when you want flexibility without rebuilding your stack. PaymentCloud is a strong pick when you want a high-risk friendly setup, but you don't want to redesign everything around one proprietary system. In practice, it's often chosen because it can work with multiple gateway and card setups, which helps if you already have a checkout flow that converts and you don't want to break it. The honest nuance is that flexibility can mean you still need to be intentional about your configuration. A gateway that can do many things won't automatically choose the safest settings for your business. If you want a provider that can fit into your existing tech stack and still support high-risk needs, PaymentCloud is a practical third-place choice. Place 2. Paykings. Best when underwriting is the main battle. Paykings is often a strong option when the biggest challenge is simply getting approved, and staying approved in a high-risk category is built around high-risk acceptance and tends to emphasize getting merchants through underwriting with the right documentation and expectations. The honest nuance is that high-risk approval is not a one-time event. Even after approval, stability depends on how your business behaves, like refund rates, customer complaints, and transaction patterns. If your pain point is we keep getting declined or shut down, Paykings is usually worth considering because it's designed for high-risk onboarding and continuity. Place 1. EasyPay Direct, best for stability through routing and redundancy. EasyPay Direct often wins in real high-risk operations because it focuses on keeping you processing through smart routing and multi-account setups. This matters because high-risk businesses don't just need one good processor. They often need a structure that can handle volatility, reduce single points of failure, and adapt when a bank or processor tightens policies. The honest nuance is that it's a more operational approach. You're not just adding a gateway, you're building a more resilient payment system, which requires clean setup and ongoing discipline.
If your priority is reducing shutdown risk and improving long-term stability, EasyPay Direct often becomes the top choice.
Closing the loop, the detail that decides the best gateway. Here's the detail I promised. The best gateway depends on whether your biggest risk is approval or stability after approval. If you need flexibility and you already have a working checkout stack, PaymentCloud can be a strong fit.
If you need help getting approved and supported as a high-risk merchant, Paykings often fits that reality.
If you're already processing or ready to scale and you want resilience through routing and redundancy, EasyPay Direct usually wins. Pick based on your weakest link, not the feature list. That's how you choose a gateway that actually survives high risk. And don't forget to check the description for helpful resources that will make things easier. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more.